Mia, what are you doing? Did you put on Mommy's lipstick? Oh, you put on Mommy? Thank you. Did you put it on Mimi? Oh, how do you look? You look beautiful, that's right. Can you go give Mimi a kiss in the mirror? Go give Mimi a kiss. Give a kiss. Oh, so pretty. Can you smile for the camera? No, smile. Cheese. Okay. It's Mimi putting on Mommy's makeup. Thank you. Put on Mommy again. Put it on Mimi again. Oh, beautiful. Don't even need a mirror.
Here.
Oh, are you done?
Done.
Okay, you look gorgeous.